Bent har gjort sina förnödenheter nere i skogen. Då har vi lite vattenfall. Waterfalls. We're just going to document a small piece of the roads here. It's a marvelous view and the roads are very fun to ride. There's some small tracks up to the villages. The road has been pretty good for some while now. Not too bumpy, not too rough. But there is no really security along the edges. But it's nice. Look at all the terrace down there. We're not going that fast around the corners here. Sometimes you have a bus around the corner. It's not that much water right now. See, someone hit the bridge here. I hope you will be able to see the terraces on the other side. They're very beautiful. We are on our way to Hassan today. It's going to be interesting to see how bumpy this video is going to be. Look at the valley. You can see how beautiful terraces they have built here. Here's our friends, Erik Kärskård, Bent, thank you.